Hi everyone, as of right now, we have not gotten much information from the state of Michigan about any safeguards to put into place for reopening, so the following procedures are based on the state of Georgia's requirements. They may be a little bit different when we do reopen, so once we get guidelines from the state of Michigan, we can put any new safeguards into place if that time comes. This is just an example to provide you with some basic knowledge about what to expect when you do come in and a few things that we'll have to go over before you're taken back for your appointment. So we've taken every precaution that we can to make sure that our staff and our clients are as safe as possible every single day.
The first of the many changes you will see here at Studio 9 Salon will begin in the parking lot. We have placed bright yellow signs that tell you exactly what you need to do when you first arrive. Instead of coming into the lobby and checking in at the desk, we ask that you wait in your car and text us at 586-274-9996. This will also allow for us to text you back when your hairstylist or nail tech is ready for you to come in for your appointment. As of right now, we will not be accepting walk-ins and everything will be by appointment only. As you come into the salon, we ask that you only use the door on the right, which will be marked Enter Only. Once you're inside, you'll see a new sign which will help guide you to the location of our new check-in desk, which is now located inside of our wax room. Throughout the salon, you will also see blue arrows that will help guide you in the direction we would appreciate you going in. This will help with social distancing. In this room, we will take your temperature with a touchless thermometer and then ask you a series of health-related questions. If your temperature, for whatever reason, is over 100 degrees, unfortunately, we will not be able to give you your service on that day and ask for you to call back when you are feeling better. None of this information will be shared with anyone unless we need to contact you or the government needs to contact you about any possible exposures. In this room, we will also provide you with a disposable mask if you do not want to get color or anything else on your mask that you have from home. We have plenty and they are free of charge, so don't be afraid to ask. After this, we will ask you to use the disinfectant that we have provided for you in this room before your stylist takes you into the rest of the salon. We will page them from this room and have them meet you at the doorway. Your stylist will then provide you with a fresh cape and take you to the proper location in the salon to begin your service. If you're getting a haircut, you will be taken directly to the shampoo bowl. If you're getting a chemical or color service, you will be taken directly to the stylist chair. All of the shampoo bowls and styling chairs will be sanitized right in front of you before you sit down. We want to be sure that you feel comfortable and safe while you're in the salon and getting your service done. All of the salon will be going one way. Please follow the arrows on the floor to see where to go next. Try to refrain from passing people and always try to maintain a 6-foot social distance when possible. Once you're at the chair, your stylist will again sanitize the station right in front of you so that you know you are safe to sit down. Our styling chairs already meet the suggested 6-foot rule, but we've decided to go the extra step and temporarily installed polyethylene barriers. This adds an extra layer of protection to keep both our staff and our clients safe during their service. Once again, we will have the entire salon going in just one direction. So if you need to be placed under the dryer chair, you will follow your stylist through the salon, across the blue arrows, and down the center aisle to go back up to the front where we have now moved our dryer chairs. If you need to use the restroom, this is also the direction that you will need to go. There will be appropriate signs on the bathroom doors for entrance and exit. Our nail stations have now been revamped with clear plastic barriers at each station. We will still have our ventilated tables, which expel vapors and dust through the roof of the building. These tables have been standard in our salon for many years now and will continue to play a role in minimizing the exposure to COVID-19. In our pedicure room, we will continue with our standard operations such as sterilizing all of our nail tools with our heat-sterilized FDA-listed autoclave. As of right now, our vending machine will be closed as well as our coffee and tea area. However, our cold water dispenser will still be in use because it does not require any touch. However, we ask that you drink the water there and do not bring it into the salon area. Please put your mask on directly afterwards, and please also refrain from bringing any food into the salon. At the end of your hair or nail service, we will take you to our front lobby where products will still be available. Please have your stylist, nail tech, or receptionist help you, and we will sanitize all of the bottles before they leave the building. These products are also still available for curbside pickup until we open on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can call ahead of time and we will set up a time for us to run out to your car and give you your products. When you leave, please exit the opposite door you came in on, which is again on your right. There will be a covered trash barrel outside once we open up to throw away any masks or anything else. You can still request an appointment through our website, studio9salon.com. Please be sure to put your name and what service or services you would like to get done. You can do this on your phone or on your computer at home. We will add your name to a list under the stylist that you request so that they can contact you once we're back in business. Just a reminder that these are guidelines that were put into place by the state of Georgia and not the state of Michigan. Until we have an absolute return date and the state of Michigan and Board of Cosmetology have given us the proper guidelines to go by, this is what our salon will look like as of right now. If for whatever reason we need to change things based on Michigan requirements, we will do so and we will keep you updated with everything that we know on both our Facebook page and through email. Whether the state of Michigan requires it or not, Studio 9 Salon will make it mandatory for all clients and staff to be wearing a mask at all times. Also, just a reminder that everything will be appointment only. We are also going to ask that you do not bring anyone unnecessary to your appointment. If a child under the age of 12 does have an appointment, they are allowed one guardian inside. We will also require all staff members to get a fever test before their shift starts, and if for whatever reason they are also over 100 degrees, they will not be able to work that day. All of our staff members will also be asked the same health-related questions before each day that they work. If for whatever reason you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please comment down below and someone will get back to you as soon as they are able. Thank you all so much for your continued support through everything. We can't wait to get back into the building and see you all very soon. Thank you!